Hey guys, Chung here. So I was actually thinking about buying the Insta360, but then I saw this. So they actually have like a new announcement of, or actually a rumor of the new Insta360R, and which is something I am quite interested about. And also there is a video attached. So let's actually watch the video together. So I'm here on the Insta360 YouTube channel and we're looking at the video. So let's start the video from the beginning. So our next camera combines an action cam and a 360 cam, a drone, a 1-inch cam. So that is probably very interesting information that we need to remember. And also they're blending a Mavic, a GoPro, a 360, a Arc Zero, and yeah, into one, and then showing January 7th, 2020. So make sure you are checking the news on that day. So yeah, what is very important from out that video, what we saw is basically the cameras they were blending. So GoPro, Insta360, a Mavic Pro, and also a Sony Arc Zero. So they blended it together and saying that they could make something that would do all those functions. So mainly when we are looking at the images, we can see that this is going to be a 1-inch sensor camera. So it's going to compete with the Arc Zero, and where we can actually see it is on the lens itself. It says a 1-inch wide angle. So it's gonna be a 1-inch sensor camera, so it will be much better than before, because before they had like the smaller sensor, and being now a 1-inch sensor, they should capture much more light, and in low light situations with high ISO get less noise. So that will be a quite good improvement, especially a lot of 360 cameras in low light situations still doesn't get good quality, and this would be a big improvement. But also, if we look at the camera unit itself, so let's Photoshop that out of all the images. So we can now see the actual camera. So the actual camera we can see is with that one front. So the two other ones are actually have a certain protector, glass protector on front. So one is more of an action camera glass protector, or one is a much more wider field of view protector. So that is something quite interesting because you could use it as an action cam or as like a 180 cam, or if you are just using a single unit. But they also have like a double unit. So the double unit makes it into a 360, so with also the extra 360 bit on the bottom. So actually Photoshop also that together into one bit. So now it's all connected. So one thing I do notice, there is something very missing on it. It's actually a tripod mount. So normally they do have like a tripod mount. I don't know why they haven't shown it on this, but yeah, Insta has a lot of long sticks now, even like a 3 meter, and I think there was also a 7 meter stick. So maybe that is actually the drone effect that you can get, because I've seen videos online of people using a stick out of the car and holding it, and it looks like there is a drone flying next to the car. So that is something that you could do, get the drone-like shots with the 360 cameras, because it's now stabilizes the 360s very well, so you can get those very drone-like shots with it. But yeah, looking at the 360, it's just two camera attached, and that is quite interesting, because if you look at actually using it, especially if you are a vlogger, so you could just travel, walk around as a 360 camera, filming yourself and also your surrounding, and just cropping in later what you want to show. But also just when you are like eating something and you want to talk about what you eat, you can have like one camera filming yourself and then have like holding the other camera and then showing what you're eating. So you have like two different angles than a 360 angle. So that gives you like a more nicer framing of both of them, instead of just an overall framing from one angle, one place. And pretty much one thing, the big elephant in the room, is that it looks like a GoPro session, but I do feel like GoPro had dumbed down the product too much and made it into an entry-level product instead of what it could have been. So it could have been a much better camera and actually made people to use this as a 360 camera, combining two of them, basically what Insta has now done. So Insta360 now has gone a quite interesting route with this, and I do feel like this is giving you quite a lot of options how you can use the product, which is quite nice compared to the previous. The Fuse was a little bit weird of product, using it as a 360 or a 3D camera, because honestly I don't think anybody's still that interested in 3D, and 360 might be more interesting to do. But yeah, this is pretty much something we need to look at, because on the 7th we finally will get like proper specifications and all the rest of the information, because something we do have to look at is how big is this camera, because it has like this bigger sensor. Is it gonna be much bigger than the previous Insta360 X, which is pretty nice size to travel with and not take too much space. So yeah, we have to look at that. So that was pretty much it from all the information what I could gather out of the image itself and also out of the video itself. So it's already a pretty interesting beginning of the year with such a new product launch. So yeah, that was pretty much it. If you have any questions or some more information you want to show about this, make sure to comment below. And also if you are new to this channel and want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button here below. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.